So we've got our package, we've put our HubSpot resources into it. How do we deploy them into a client account? There's a couple of ways you can do it. We showed you how you can do it by assigning it into a client account and deploying from there, but there's also a faster way to do it if you have a package that is just HubSpot resources. So in your partner packages section here, under your partner button, you'll have this little yellow banner that says, hey, did you know that Super is a faster way to install HubSpot resources? If you click it, it will take you to a knowledge base article that walks you through. But real quick, let's also walk you through in this video how to do that. So you'll come actually over into HubSpot resources. And from here, you will go to install assets. Install assets will give you the list of your packages that have HubSpot resources in them. If you have a lot of packages that have them, you'll want to search it, find the name. You can also scroll, and it will give you this install button here. So we're going to click install. It's going to take us to this page here where you can keep notes on the install if you'd like. You can keep notes on why you're installing it, what clients, anything like that. You can, whatever notes feel right there. And then you can hit open installer. So we're going to hit open installer. It's going to take us to a window we're familiar with. This is the list of all of the HubSpot portals that you have access to. And you'll select your receiving portal. So this is where you want to put those assets into. So I'm going to select it. And over in Sidekiq, we'll see that we have our ability to install HubSpot resources. We're going to hit install and it will go through and install them. Simple as that, super quick. Let us know if you have questions.